Right. So yeah, any doubts or any confusion in asterisk or dot dot? How does this asterisk or dot dot works?
Shiv, using this dot, we can filter the graduation who complete between from the particular year to particular year, right?
We can do that. We have to build some of the most optimal string. Will come there. Will come in some of the advanced sessions. How can we check that?
Okay. Okay, sure. Thanks.
Yeah, but otherwise your thought process is pretty much correct. You can also identify in which year they would have completed the education for sure.
Correct. Yes.
Okay, now let's see here also. If you see, there's dollar per year. Let's take this example also. Okay, so now it says dollar 1 2 3 let's say dollar 50 50,000 dot 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 to and given in the double quotes. Okay, so pound per year, 90,000 per year, 50,000 per year. So anything between 50,000, 5 lakh 50,000 up to 2 lakh. So 3 lakh 90 here somewhere will be there in the text once we open 70. Anyway, special operators are not getting searched. Let's say 5,000 to 2 lakh per year, or some people might write 50K dot dot to 200K. Yeah. So anything which is 2 lakh per year or 50,000 per year, 80,000 per year, 80,000 per year, 80,000 per year, 75,000 per year. So again, once we open, these numbers would be somewhere here and there, but otherwise, I'm just moving in interest of time. 65,712 per year, 50,000 per year, 50,000 per year, 93,000 per year. So 1 lakh per year, 1 lakh per year, 72,000 per year, 1 lakh per year. So yeah, this is another example of it. How does this dot dot works? And it has to be 2 dots. This is wrong. It has to be 2 dots. Now we see more appropriate results. All right. So any doubts on dot dot or asterisk? You can see dot dot, any number range. It could be height, it could be weight, it could be years from 2019 to 2022, whatever the years. It could be for the experience, it could be for graduation completion year. Year means year completes, year includes whichever the kind of a content you wanted to search for, which is related to year, it will show. Inches, whichever the related of kind of maybe your foot size, or maybe if you're looking out for a bride or anything means you just name it, you have it. It's like that. So anything in a height, it's not just the human height, but it's a size of phone. Maybe you just want a 4 inches screen or something like that. You can search for that. Maybe if you're searching for footwear, and if you wanted a 9 inches or 5 inches or 6 inches, you can search for that. It's just that additional keywords we need to use. So it's like that. We just need to understand which site is selling a footwear or which site is selling a phone, and take a pattern of it, X-ray it. Like yesterday, we were giving a small challenges. How do you go about X-raying those particular sites? Understanding the URL pattern of those sites. Even previously also we covered, but that's how it is. But otherwise, let's say we come to GitHub and let's view a couple of profiles. Sorry. She is one of my teacher. All right. So this is their individual profile, and this is the URL, github.com/Shweta17. That is a user ID. Then github.com/ again a user ID. 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 So given these cases, how would you go about X-ray searches? I'm just pinging their individual site URL. Take a look at the entire profile page and their URL pattern, and just share some of the searches which you would get to X-ray search. So people who has attended for the first time, no need to, but people who has attending second, third, not second, third, attending from the beginning, please share some of the X-ray searches. So these are the 4 individual profiles of a GitHub. Take a look at the URL pattern. Take a look at the entire page pattern up till here. Entire page pattern, and try to see how can you do a X-ray searches which could fetch a results from a GitHub. So this is little different. If you see, this page is little different, but there are some of the constant terms. So while building X-ray searches, what we need to see is first URL, and second, which are the constant term in the page, so that we get the individual profile results. We'll wait for 2 minutes. Take a look at it. Now it is 8:54. Please share it within till 8:57, and we'll see the same searches, review the same searches by 8:58 in another 2 to 3 minutes. And I know you can do it. Just allow a simple logics which we discussed before. Just apply those simple logics.
Ashif, can you go through for another profile? Just GitHub another profile.
So this is her profile. All right. This is a profile. This is his profile.
Got it, Shiv.
Okay, we got from Anju site github.com/technical recruiter. 3.5 years. So this is Anju's search site github.com/technical recruiter / no results. You have from Soumya site github.com Java Kotlin Android India. Awesome. Ashu Maurya, Android developers. Rohit. So Anju, you might have to fine tune a bit. It is giving us Android developers like this also. What additional things you would add from the page, which would give us only individual profiles. So this is definitely giving a results, but it's a mix of individual profiles and some of the repositories or something like that.
I have refined that shift and shared another one. I have shared another one, refined this one.
Sure. So this is of Dinesh. So this has no result. Okay, in URL github.com. So it's not .Dinesh, it's double quotes. Double quotes you missed. And then the second thing, /, but the marketing, no need to have immediately after slash. You can give something like this in URL, double quote, github.com. No need to add with the /. If you add, then it will start looking for the folder. See, this part is a different, and this is a keyword and this part, don't mix it. If you see here, so this is a username. We don't know what is the username. It's completely open-ended. So what you do is site is site : github.com. Username is completely open-ended. So you give Java, Bangalore or Bengaluru, maybe just the location. But now if you see, you get a list of individual profiles and also something unnecessary stuff which we don't want, maybe a repositories or something like that. So let's see. Okay, again, Soumya site github.com / also actually not required.
Okay.
Because after, in case, so this is site github.com / doesn't make a difference. Okay, Java Kotlin 100 ... to 1K followers. Why bracket? You can use this in bracket is for or.
Also, I'm not getting the desired results in this. If you see the first profile, he's having 69 followers, but I've mentioned minimum 100.
Bracket, why bracket? You just give like this now.
Okay.
And see, this is a numeric 100. 1K is not is alphanumeric. This make it 1000. If you're using 100 and then 1K, it would not understand.
Okay.
So 100 to 1000.
Achha. Got it.
See, 1K is alphanumeric form of a number. 100 is a numeric form of a number.
Okay. Yeah, got it.
Now you got all individual profiles. Okay, wait a second. That is of Soumya. Good, Soumya. Prakash, site github.com, site www.github.com, Java 25.200. This is also fine. So in Soumya's case, 100 followers. It's a, if you see 100 followers, that a number and the follower. Like if you see here, 227 follower, a number and a follower. If it is immediate, I would suggest the way Soumya did it. Just space and the followers is suggestible, but otherwise what Prakash you did is site www.github.com, Java 25.200 followers. This also will fetch us the result, but ideally it can be like this. You see here 56, now it came here. Rather you just remove this colon from here and put this colon here. FOLLOW. No, spelling is wrong. What is FOLLOWERS? WERS followers. Why you're not getting it? That is strange.
That means there is only one.
Maybe in this range. Let's make it 2000.
Let's make it 100 or 50, at least that would widen the horizon.
Okay, this www dot. This is the problem. Just use that up to www dot to be removed. No need to mention that www dot, just github.com. Now you come back here and make it 25. You want up to 200 now. Just make it 200. Okay, so you got it all. So who has up to minimum 200 and up to, sorry, minimum 25 and up to 200 followers. So, so Prakash, yeah, site. If you're using in URL, you might use www dot, but in URL, so I wouldn't suggest use that HTTPS or www dot. Just start it from here. So here, if you see, there is no www dot in this format. Every individual profile is https://github.com. So https://github.com. There is no profile existing on GitHub with www dot. That's the reason you were getting that one result, that too due to some false positive thing. Why we got that results? Let's see. So here, this is www.github. Maybe one profile that is existing with the www.github.com. But once we open, maybe in past it was existing somewhere when www.format was existing some years back, I don't know. But later on that format has gone. It has made https://. It's no more a www format. But as soon as you remove this www, you started getting it. All right. So that's fine. Ajaz site github.com / Java or Python. Then Bangalore or Bengaluru 3.8 years experience. That is also fine. So you got people who would have written that 3 years experience. Awesome, Ajaz. But very few results. The reason I wanted to take this example, I'll come back. So here, when you're using this 3.8, I'll come back to this example. You just be there. Okay, Shweta Ghosh, site github.com, JavaScript, Maharashtra, React, or Angular, or Flax, or Django. That is fine. So front-end framework popularity. Okay, we have individual profiles, but still we have some profiles, some results which are not profiles, something like frameworks and all everything, something like this. These are the repositories or something like that, but it's not an individual profiles. You might have to fine tune a little looking at what is there, like followers is one of the right part. So Parameshwari github.com, in URL github.com, Intex software developer Bangalore. Awesome. This is nice. So Parameshwari, like if you see this result, it's not a individual profile. Thank you, GitHub. Thank you, GitHub. An open letter of gratitude. Some repository might have to look in the individual profiles. Few things which can show only individual profiles. That's still a repository, but still good. Neeraj site github.com / Node.js 3.8. Yes, Neeraj. This is similar example like Ajaz, on which I wanted to come back.
We can add contribution. We can add contribution in the last year.
Yeah, ping the text, ping the search.
Okay.
2 to 5 years experience. So looking for a JavaScript Node.js engineer. This is again some post and all, but it's not an individual profile. So I'll come there. Why did I take GitHub example today? I'll let you know. Ideally, it should work with WW also. Nashiv. See, as we seen, Satish, no GitHub has a WW now. It's gone. WW was existing past 10 years back. That's the reason we got only one profile due to Google has remembered that particular URL part. But every GitHub, it's directly https://. So WW is no more. So that's the reason it's not working. Does that answer you, Satish? Satish. Okay, moving on. So Anju site github.com, C# Noida, that is fine. But additionally, one more keyword you might have to give to make it work, to get the result only of our individual profiles. That is something additional part. You need to take a look from this part or anything like that. But let's see. Anyways, you got it. You got the results. But it can be further optimized because not just the individual profile. It's a mix of individual profiles or Microsoft Mobile Innovation Lab or some company pages or something like that.
Steve, can you check mine?
Which one?
Or
No, Satish, not everyone is muted. You can unmute yourself.
Shiv, how can we optimize it further?
I'm coming there. So Sharma site github.com profile you or resume, UI developer, front end, Angular, React, 10 to 10,000 followers, India. That is good, but we have more to do. So profile resume, you don't need to give, though here you got it, but of 58 resumes, just remove profile or resume because we just want directly individual profiles.
Okay, Shiv.
Okay, so no need to mention that profile or resume, though this gives us this thing. Because in GitHub, individual profile does not have a / profile or resume or anything, though that is giving us a result because those keywords is taken in as a keywords and trying to search it, but you can still further optimize it. So now coming back, how can you further optimize? Anyway, searches are good. Now let's say, so 3.8 years of experience and 3.8 years of EXP or experience, Ajaz and Neeraj has suggested. So now let's say here, let's take Shweta's profile. So Shweta joined 2021, 2022, and nowhere Shweta has mentioned. So GitHub is not a resume platform or not a full LinkedIn profile platform where people mention that I got these many years of experience. Very few people might be, but otherwise, if this person has joined in 2013, that means 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, 5 year, 6 year, 7 year, 8 year. By now, he has got 9 years of experience. When Shweta joined GitHub, so it's basically when did you join GitHub from that day? So it shows like 2 years by now, 1 year, 2 year and all. So what we can do is instead of giving 3.8 years of experience, now let's say 3.8 only we need. Okay, so ideally people who would have joined in 2019 or 2018 may have that 2018 may have at least 3+ years of experience, and people who would have joined in 2013 may have by now at least 8+ years of experience. So 2013.2018. Okay, so now if we see whichever the profile we would open, so this is not just the individual, we'll come there. How do we get more individual profiles? I'm just taking the examples of this. 4+, but come down. Okay, person here 2019 to, so though you're getting 2020 because this person has joined in 2019, so whatever the profiles we'll get now, they would have joined at least in 2013 to 2019. So this is from the text we are getting this result, that 2014 to 15 somewhere it would be. This is not again an individual profile. Let's skip. Open Bangalore. This is again some repository. This is again some repository. So now if you see, we just use github.com, Java, Python, Bangalore or Bengaluru, and 2013 to 2018. But very few profiles. It's a mix of profiles, but whatever the profiles we have, at least 2013 to 2019. So 2015. Now going for further optimization part, where we don't want that false positive results. So what we can do, okay, now 25 contributions in last 1 year. So we can see, okay, we want someone, okay, site github.com, Java or Python, Bangalore or Bengaluru. Okay, from 25, I want someone who has got at least 500 contributions, or maybe say 5,000 contributions in the last year. So now if we say now we started getting slowly only individual profiles. Let's see in case if we have some of the false positive which are not individual profiles. So we might get disconnected in next 10 minutes. Please relog in using the same login details. So all are individual. So this one, Leap Lab, though it's a Leap Lab, but it's still an individual profile and which has minimum 25 to up to 87 contributions in past 1 year. And the person has joined. So it's an individual person with the company name. He created a profile, but creating a profile with the company name doesn't make an individual profile a company profile. It's still an individual profile. It's just that name, he named the company name, but otherwise it's still an individual profile. And the person joined in 26. And the use case what we gave is how many? 25 ... to 5,000. So minimum 25. So 87 contributions. 1,032 contributions. 306 contributions joined after 2013. 164 joined after 2016. Let's further modify to see if this search is right. I would say I want someone who joined between 2013 to 2015 and has minimum 1,000 contributions ... to 5,000 contributions in the last year.
Can you increase the font? Can you increase the font?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, site github.com, Java or Python, Bangalore or Bengaluru, 2013 ... 2015, 1,000 to 5,000, 1,000 ... 5,000 within the double quotes contribution in the last 1 year. Okay, so 165 contributions, 2,260 contributions, 1,984 contributions, 1,073 contributions, 1,946 contribution, 2,134 contribution. Here we don't see. Let's open this one. Here we don't. Okay, 1,709, 1,150, 4,000 plus contributions, 1,700 contribution, 115 contributions, 113. Okay, 2013. Let's see. Here we don't see. 1,417 contribution, 1,879, 2,000 plus contribution. Okay, here we don't see anything. Let's open this also. 2,000 plus contribution. Okay, here we don't see anything. Let's open this as well. 2,000 plus contributions, 1,000 plus contribution, 1,786 contribution, 1,135, 2,965, 1,671, 1,114. All are individual ones again. 1,847. Okay, here we don't see anything. Let's open this. All right, so 3,000 plus. Woo. And then 2015. What did we optimize is we need someone who joined between 2013 to 2015. So here, yes, the person joined 2015 and contributions 3,000 plus. Contributions 1,000 plus, person joined 2014. Contributions 1,000 plus, person joined. So 2013 is existing here. Anyways, the person might have joined before also. The way we gave up to 2015, we got the result with the 16, 17, 18. The reason because they joined in 2015 until that they are existing. So by default, this is supposed to come. Similarly, 2013, it might be picking up from here, but otherwise the person has a existence in that 2013. So that's where it's coming in. Is it coming 2013 from somewhere else? I don't think so. Okay, let's directly go here. Show more. Avinash has no activity. Contribution activity, December 2011. Show more. Show more. Show more. Show more. Show more. So we are seeing the whole year activity and we are trying to see when did the person join. Okay. Joined GitHub on February 27, 2011. Let's take this part. We'll come back later. Anyways, that's a true example. 1000 plus joined 2015. Then here also 1000 plus joined 2014. So we gave between 2013 to 15, and all the profiles who joined between 2013 to 2015, we got it. We got one profile who joined before 2013 because it was the person had joined in 2011 and the 2013 was existing here. Now we go with more stringent word. Instead of, okay, one contribution, instead of 2013 to 2015, let's see, we just come here. So joined on February 27, 2011. So this might not be belonging. Let's see this once. 21. Load. So because that day also there is minimum profiles. So joined GitHub on June. Okay, let's take instead of that date, Feb star 2011 to 2015. Okay, this is without quotes. Okay, this would be in a direct search of a GitHub. We'll cover in a later session. X-ray we are not getting. This direct search I'll cover, but hope you got how to optimize it further. So when we do a direct GitHub sessions, in that sessions I'll cover. Now if I cover that, it would confuse, it will go over the head. So let me take a step back. I would not go there, but in the GitHub sessions, I'll cover that. What I was actually trying to do it, but let me cover in depth in a later session. But otherwise, this is how we are further optimizing by using, let's say, instead of 3 ... and what we did is like, we just used a simple search site, github.com, Java or Python, Bangalore or Bengaluru, 1000 ... 5000 contributions in last 1 year within the double quotes. And instead of giving this entire day, we can just give 2013 ... 2018, so that we get the list of people whoever has joined since 2013. Then by now they would have already 8+, 9+ years of experience, and at least the person who joined during 2018, they must have at least 3+ years of experience. And it's not necessary if they joined 2018 they have 3+ of years of experience, though 10 years of person also can join. In 10 years experience person also might have joined GitHub recently in 2018 or 19. So that's pretty much open-ended, but otherwise this is one operative way of finding it, but this is not the accurate way, because let's say if I'm 10 years of experience today, I can sign up on a GitHub. It doesn't mean that I'm only have a 1 day of experience. That one use case. Or else I might be a student doing a BTech. In my first year itself, I would have created my GitHub profile. That might be the another use case where the person have no experience, they're just studying. So that's how it is. But when we message them, we'll cover in a later sessions how are we going to message them in a GitHub sessions. But otherwise, actually, just to give you the idea how does this ... or the star works is the example which we covered for that. So any further doubts on this ... or a star? Neeraj? So we have last